Now let us see some example of pi bond and sigma bond and the shape also. Hydrogen molecule, oneness, both are s orbital. S orbital combined means it give sigma bond, single sigma bond. Chlorine molecule, in chlorine molecule actually 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p5. So the electronic configuration of chlorine atom in the ground state is 3s2, 3p2, 3py2, 3pz1. So the two half-filled p atomic orbital of two chlorine atom overlap. That means here if you see the 3pz has only one electron. So another chlorine also will have 3pz1. So the 2p orbital of z, pz orbital overlap and form sigma bond in the nuclear axis, and thus by forming sigma pp bond. Next, hydrogen chloride molecule. In the ground state, the electronic configuration of hydrogen is 1s1 and that chlorine is 3s2, 3px2, 3py2 and 3pz1. The half-filled 1s orbital of hydrogen overlap with the half-filled 3pz orbital of chlorine along the internuclear axis to form sigma sp bond. So S is symmetrical, P is dumbbell, both overlap and form that sp orbital. In that sigma bond, it is sp orbital is combining. Next, oxygen molecule. When you see this oxygen molecule, 1s2, 2s2, 2p2, 2px2, 2py1, 2pz1. That means 2s2, 2p4. The half-filled py orbital and pz orbital of two oxygen atom overlap along the internuclear axis and form sigma pp bond. So 1p orbital of two oxygen atom combined to give one sigma bond. The remaining half filled, that is 2pz orbital overlap with another oxygen 2pz lab orbital and form pi bond. The pi bond between pp orbital. So in oxygen molecule, O, double bond O, in that one bond is sigma bond, another bond is pi bond. Sigma bond is formed by the overlapping of head or axial overlapping. Pi bond is formed by the combination of sidewise. That means when you see that z orbital is parallelly overlap. It is a straight one. If you keep a hand in this straight position, that is a z orbital. Thus a double bond, one p sigma pp and another one is pi pp is formed. Py is formed sigma bond and Z is formed as a pi bond. Next, nitrogen molecule. Here nitrogen 2s2 2p3. So in this 3p orbital has single electron. So how many bond is possible? 3 bond is possible between two nitrogen atom. So if 3 bond is there, means one is sigma bond, another 2 will be a pi bond. See, this middle one is the sigma bond, another 2 is the pi bond. That means 2py and 2pz formed pi bond and 2px form sigma bond. Next one is hybridization. So what is hybridization? It is a process in which suitable orbital of the central atom mix among themselves to give the same number of equivalent orbitals as taking part in the mixing. The equivalent orbital thus formed are called hybridized orbitals. So it will not have pure s orbital, pure p orbital. It has the property of 50 characters of s orbital and 50 characters of p orbital. So what is the criteria for hybridization? Orbitals of only valency shell take part in hybridization. Only valency shell electron only take part in hybridization. The orbital taking part in hybridization should have nearly same energy. When two atoms of same energy level only can combine, same energy level orbital only can combine. That means S and S, S and P, and in the P also PX, PX, PY, PY, PZ, PZ only can combine. It is not necessarily that only half-filled atomic orbital will take part in hybridization. Even a filled or vacant orbital also can take part. Actually, first we will see about only half-filled. If suppose in one orbital 2 electrons are there, means what happen? When it is combining with other atom, one electron from one orbital is go to excited and go to another orbital for overlapping. So half-filled orbital overlap first. The promotion of electron to another orbital prior to hybridization. When you see this properties of hybridized orbital, it is given in your textbook also, important properties of hybridization and silent features of hybridization. Same number of hybridized orbital are formed as total number of atomic orbital taking part in hybridization. For example, there will be 2 sp, 3 sp2, 4 sp3, 5 sp3d, 6 sp3d2 and 7 sp3d3 hybridized orbital. Same number of hybridized orbital are formed as the total number of atomic orbital taking part in hybridization. 2 sp, 3 sp2, 4 sp3, 5 sp3d, 6 sp3d d2, 7 sp3d3. The hybridized orbital of a set, that means 2 sp or 3 sp2 hybridized orbital have same energy and same shape. They are directed in space. They form sigma bond by head-on overlap with the orbital of other atom. The bond formed by hybridized orbital is stronger than those formed by the individual pure atomic orbital. So the relative strength of the bond, if you see the strength of the bond,